Alright, well, getting ready for tomorrow morning. I finally got a day to myself. Me and my daddy gonna go fishing. Finally got a break. So I want to introduce you. It ain't much, but it's my little fishing store. Hope the light ain't blinding you. But I'm just over here getting things ready today. Then I got my little shelving there. A couple rods. Get some more shoe stuff together. I got some good stuff up here. Ain't bad, but you know, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. Just whatever I pick up and buy at the store here and there. It's not much, but got my little motor. So today we're getting ready to go fishing. So I want to try the Rapala. They say this is awesome. It's the DT10 chartreuse. Let me see if I can get better. I'm gonna try. Hopefully I got some light for y'all. But yes, the DT10. I'm gonna take that tomorrow. The KBD red dives down to 8 foot, flat sided crankbait. Pretty good, not bad. It's not good with that light, is it? Let's check it out. This is actually red, y'all. But anyhow, we're gonna take that tomorrow in case they ain't hit what I got. Okay, that's that. I want to show everybody. This thing here is awesome, y'all. This is the way I do it. I just stick my crankbaits down in there. Stick my crankbaits. Just a couple of them. Try to do the bill, but we're gonna try them out tomorrow. A couple of them. Pull up and keeps your hooks from rusting. Then we got some little baits here. Kitex. We're gonna maybe run some chatterbaits, different colors, blade baits. I got this one, man. I just do not see when that thing there should not catch bass. Take it outside. This thing here, I just thought it was awesome. I should try that. But it feels like, seems like to me, the skirt's like a little long. And I don't know if it messes that spinner up, so it throws my confidence off a little bit. You know, everybody says lipless, lipless, lipless. I got just a few, and I got a few more in my tackle box. I got one tied on, matter of fact. Got him tied on. I'm gonna try him tomorrow. This right here is my new Jabberjaw. Jabberjaw 13 crankbait. Try that tomorrow. I'll make a jerk bait 110. That's, man, let me tell you something. Them hooks in that thing, oh my gosh. But anyway, that's just a little sneak peek of the bass shack here. So we'll see what's going on tomorrow. Got a few jerk baits. Few jigs. I'm gonna throw a jig tomorrow too. Tell my dad's gonna throw a Carolina rig, but I'm just gonna throw a good old jig, man. See, I'm gonna have to cut that right there. All right, we'll see what happens in the morning. Thank you. We out here on Miles Lake today. We're gonna try to catch us a few. About 40 degrees outside, if that. Well, I don't know how cold the water is yet. I'll let you know as soon as we get on the boat, get the depth finders going.
Oh, I'm in the tray.
I got that on video. Yeah. I got that on video, Daddy. Dad said he smacked the shit out of that one. Oh, hey, wait a minute. I'm in a tree. Well, that's his ass, boy. Dad, wait a minute, I'm in a tree, hang on. Huh? Oh, is it? Well, you got the thing for it. I was say, hey, that's something over there jumping. I was say, it's jumping over there. But it was you. Oh, I think that's something under the dock.
I'm on the bed, don't want no flowers cause they simple pain. You don't look sad anyway, wait. I see you smiling so I can't stand all of your tears cause they fake. I know what they really feel. They wouldn't know much about me. Not into fucking with all these, money don't count itself. Always be counting on what I earn. If I'm not lying, then I make it work. Won't get caught up with these dirty drugs. Lost love was all I got in this mess. Talking about how they be getting tricked. Stressfully, I got lost till in the moment. But now I'm alone and atoning.
Got caught up in my head, far away to fight. I don't know where I'm going.
Got caught up in my head, far away to fight. I don't know where I'm going. I got this butterfly singing in my mind. I'm far from life, my reminiscence fading in my life. I'm holding tight before I die. Let me find real lost in my trapping dreams. I'm paralyzed, dummy and I stand side by side, devil and God.
Got a lot of friends but still so lonely. I don't know about all these dreams fall through me. Can't run away from you inside me. Better days but I still feel so lonely.
요즘은 또 쉽게 나 burn out.
Okay, so this is what I get out of the Monster Bass package every month. I pay $25 and I get around $35, $44 worth of baits. Awesome. I love it. Every time I buy something from
Yeah,
that
man.
box, I catch a fish. A gigantic fish. So we're gonna try this today and see if it works. We'll see why I should. Thank you. Okay. There's that.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, icy, icy on my neck combination. 새로운 가지 머리 swag 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지 breaking good life is good 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌은
Me and Steven's at the Lake Norman winter trail today, Saturday morning. I don't know, about 6:30, about 28 degrees, but people starting to load up. We're gonna see if we can get some money today, fellas. We'll talk to you later. We get to take off 7th, don't we? 8.
8 to 4.
No, I mean the takeoff on the boat.
Yeah, the boat.
Yeah. Who?
King Lineberger.
I've heard of him.
They do League Series.
Yep. 7:59, baby.
You listen.
Yep.
He hollers 7, you throw your hand
Yep.
up.
Waiting on them to say 8 o'clock, fellas.
There it goes. About 10 seconds.
Alright guys, it's 8 o'clock, boat number 1, let's go!
Go, boys, let's go. Boat number 1.
Boat
Quick.
number 3,
Boat number 3,
boat number 4,
4,
boat number 5,
5,
boat number 6,
6,
boat number
7. Here we go, boys. What happened, man? I didn't even see the yank or nothing, you know what I mean? Damn.
Did you hear it? I set the hook and it just broke. That man ain't had nothing but fucking trouble out of fucking
Jigs.
my fucking fishing line here lately.
What are you using, that P-line?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fishing with a DT10 today. It ain't done too good for us. It's been hard out here. Yep. Oh man, I'm on somebody's line, Steve. Whoa, I got mine. $30 damn lower. 40 maybe. Need help? There you go. On the other side of this, that's where the wind's going or something?
No, this is where we caught it.
Oh,
I think the one we caught 5 on.
okay.
Caught our last.
There got to be some fish around that shit there. Yep. Yes. All right.